So here she is. This is my RA28 Celica Liftback. Now this is a 1978 model. Originally we believe that the original bodywork colour was yellow. We've had it completely stripped back to bare metal, where if you click onto the blog post that we've done or the link below, you'll be able to see all the images of the restoration work that it's undergone. This is an ST model, but I've actually put the GT grille on there. I've got the original ST grille, so if someone wanted to take it back to the ST grille, I just actually, as a personal preference, I prefer the GT grille. It's pretty much an original car, so it's very honest. The bodywork we had done by First Quality. Now they're a fantastic bodywork company, and you can see how straight this bodywork is. It's just absolutely immaculate. It really is. Amazing finish on there, and it's like looking down glass. It's absolutely fantastic. Been completely stripped back to bare metal. All the rust, any rust, obviously these were renowned for being rust buckets back in the day, and a lot of them didn't make it. So any rust that was on the car we had cut out and new metal welded back into place. It's got a chin spoiler that's been moulded into the bodywork, so you can see the level of detail that's gone into that. We've got halogen lights with LED running lights around the edge. Now I've got the original lights as well, so if somebody wanted to take it back again to 100% original, then it could be done. The wheels have been all reconditioned. It's had new brake discs. All the calipers have been reconditioned. On the rear we've got brake drums. They've had new brake cylinders put on and all been reconditioned as well, so everything it stops as it should. The suspension system we've actually changed, because the original suspension on these were a little bit springy. So what we've done, I'll get under the car so you can have a look. You can see one there, we've actually put coilovers on, which were done by Gaz. So they're adjustable coilovers. We can actually adjust the ride height now. So I've got it set to a ride height that I like, aesthetically like the look of, but you can adjust that. You can go lower, you can take it higher, you can take it softer if you wanted a bit more comfort. The exhaust system, we've got a stainless steel exhaust all the way through. The gas tank as well, petrol tank, has been completely refurbished. Now I put fiberglass spoilers on there because the original ones, number one, I just didn't like the look of the chrome with the white, and even though we had them restored, the original chrome ones, they weren't perfect. So I decided to put the fiberglass ones on. I think it just looks better all in white, giving it a bit more of the modern look. Let's have a look at the interior. I just love the sound of that. Could do all that all day long. So interior of the car, everything's been refurbished, as you can see. I've got the original steering wheel, but it is quite a big 70s steering wheel, so I've replaced it with a smaller one. I've got the original one, should anyone want to put it back. It's got the original FM stereo, all the dials. Now the clock on there, there used to be a clock here. We've still got the original clock if you wanted to put it on, but what I've done is actually put an AM air mixture meter, so we can actually adjust, make sure that your mixture in the car between fuel and air is actually set correctly, because it's obviously got a carburetor, so that helps with that. And if you wanted to put the clock dial back, then you can do. Now I believe that's the original mileage, even though we've had a complete engine rebuild. That's the original mileage on the clock, I do believe.